coffee machines suffer from limescale and calcium buildup, the white buildup you see in kettles. This will decrease your water and coffee temperature and can cause blockage and damage to your machine. Introducing Caffenu Liquid Descaler. Caffenu Liquid Descaler is a fast-acting descaler specifically formulated to rapidly clean your coffee machine. Simply pour 1 dose of the descaling solution into half a tank of water. Then carry out the descaling cycle as recommended for your specific machine. It removes buildup in a safe and effective way and also contains a sanitizing agent that helps to ensure the hygiene of your machine. The descaler is phosphate-free, does not stain and can be used in any coffee machine or kettle. Only a clean machine makes the perfect coffee.